Students, today I am going to show one simple program of the Arduino board. Just observe this code. It is having two functions, wired setup and while loop. So these are the two functions you have to use in all programs. In the wired setup, I am using 13th pin because this Arduino board is having 13th pin and which is connected to one LED. So I want to glow that LED and the LED should on and off for 1 second to show the pattern of blinking. Okay, so see the second function loop. In that I am going to write logic high, nothing but logic 1 to the 13th pin to glow the LED. Then I have taken 1 second delay. So when we are using delay function, you have to provide a number within the bracket. That number will give those many milliseconds. Example, 1000 milliseconds means 1 second delay you will get. So 1 second the LED will on. Then I am writing logic low to the 13th pin because I want to put up the LED. Duration is 1 second. So LED will on 1 second and we will put off for 1 second. Then we have written this code in the loop, so same code will execute many times because it is written in the loop. So now we will compile this using this icon. So compile done. So done compilation means we have compiled successfully. If we don't have any error in the code, we will get this type of message. Then I can attach this board to the laptop. Wait a minute. So see this is the Arduino board. It is having a digital pins here and analog pins here and some power pins also there. This is the power jacket. You can attach this board with your laptop or desktop with the help of this USB cable. This is the USB cable and here you can attach this to your laptop. Okay. So see this is the simple code. I am going to upload this code into this board by connecting the USB cable to the laptop. Now I am going to upload this. Some error occurred. Now I have to see whether board is connected to my laptop or not by clicking the tools. Then see this port. So this Arduino board is not connected to my laptop because here I didn't select the COM4. So here two COM ports are there, COM3 and COM4. COM4 is having Arduino board, so you have to select that. Then check once again, is it attached? Your Arduino board is attached to your laptop or desktop. Now it is attached. So now I can upload the code by clicking this icon. See this? So done upload. So there is no error because the board is connected to my laptop. Now I can see the effect. I can see the result. So here two LEDs are going. The top LED is showing the power supply and bottom LED, that is the 13th LED of Arduino board, it is blinking because I have written code to blink the LED. First it should be on, then wait for 1 second, then it should be off and wait for 1 second. Like that we can repeat this code as a blinking LED. See this. So this is the orange light. The bottom LED is blinking on and off, on and off. Okay. Students, now we will see the actual programs. Task 1, first program. The first program is blinking LEDs. So here we have one shield. You see this is the shield we are going to use in the task 1. So this shield is having 6 LEDs and 6 switches. Okay. So in the task 1 we will use only LEDs. We won't use switches. So I have to close these LEDs according to my question. Okay. So blinking LED means I have to glow 6 LEDs and put out that, then glow the 6 LEDs once again. So it will give the blinking effect. So see this code. This is the code I am going to use to show the blinking of the LEDs. So here I declared 8 to 13 pins. Why 8 to 13 means, observe this. So here you have 2 shields. The bottom shield is actual Arduino. So this is the Arduino. The bottom is one Arduino is there. On the top we have one more board, that is the LEDs and switches shield. So this LEDs and switches shield attached to the bottom board, and the LEDs are connected with the 8th pin to 13th pin of Arduino board. So you have to declare that 8th pin to 13th pin as output, because these pins are going to give the logic high or logic 0 to the LEDs. Okay. So that's why I have taken for loop to declare that 6 pins as a output mode using pin mode function. Then I am going to take one more for loop in the loop function, and I am writing logic high to the 8th to 13th pin. Then I have taken delay, 1 second delay. Then I am putting off all 6 LEDs. I have taken 1 second delay. Then this code will repeat so many times. This is the never ending loop. Now we will see the, okay, I am attaching this board to my laptop, and then I am compiling this program to check whether errors are there or not. Now I don't have any errors in my program. So now I am checking this board is connected to my laptop or not by clicking the tools. So see this code here, COM6 is connected with the Arduino board. You have to select that. Then once more we will check the board is connected. Now it is connected. Then do the uploading. So done upload. So this is the code. So blinking all 6 LEDs and put off, then wait 1 second, again blinking the all LEDs. So this is the output of the task 1 first program. Okay. So blinking LEDs, glowing all LEDs 1 second, off LEDs 1 second, again same pattern is going to repeat. So this is about task 1 first program.